Nestled in the coastal town of Barwon Heads, Victoria, Alberta House stands as a testament to thoughtful, modern architecture. Completed in 2022 by the design studio office MIJI, this unique residence was conceived to foster a deep, dynamic connection between its inhabitants and the surrounding landscape. Rather than isolating the family from the elements, the architecture invites a fluid interaction with the site, balancing the openness of coastal living with the functional needs of a contemporary retreat. The physical structure of the home responds directly to its environment, beginning with its elevated stance. Lifted gracefully off the ground to navigate a local flooding overlay, the house avoids feeling detached. Instead, it uses this elevation to establish a distinct presence on the land. A rigid steel frame defines the perimeter, acting as a structural bounding box that neatly contains a series of distinct spatial elements, each organized with its own internal logic. Within this perimeter, the architecture cleverly divides the living experience into distinct zones based on utility and time. The layout separates spaces of constant, long-term use from temporary, short-term areas, seamlessly connected by transition spaces. The true brilliance of this arrangement lies in the rotational play of the central corridor. This deliberate architectural twist guides movement through the home while striking a flawless equilibrium between natural light and personal privacy. By organizing the layout into clear front, middle, and rear sections, the home caters effortlessly to both communal family life and guest hospitality. The primary everyday living quarters anchor one end of the structure, while the central zone handles utility and convenience. The furthest section of the house is dedicated entirely to guests, offering a private sanctuary that ensures everyone on the property enjoys their own independent sense of space. Despite these clear boundaries between different zones, the home maintains a striking continuity of space. The individual arrangements of each component are designed to flow naturally into one another, creating intuitive connections where one functional area effortlessly gives way to the next. Outdoor spaces, like an elevated western deck, are woven into this layout, extending the internal areas outward and capturing the shifting warmth of the midday and afternoon sun. Ultimately, AB House is defined by its remarkable adaptability. It is a structure that can be intensely private, but never feels confined to being so. By allowing spaces to open up entirely, from the front doors straight through the heart of the site, the architecture bridges the gap between private sanctuary and public connection. It serves as an elegant, innovative second home that allows a city-weary family to dictate exactly how they want to engage with light, privacy, and the world around them.